Okay, hello YouTube. Welcome everybody to my stream. This is my background. This is the coolest background ever, I know. How you guys doing? Who's here? Say hi in the chat, say something. Let's break the ice a little bit. Don't worry, I'll change this background. It's not really good right now. I just wanted to like show it off a bit. I can also change colors. I can make it, ooh, what's going on with my camera? You know, make it red, make it like even worse. But anyways, hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Today we're gonna do some cool stuff. Hopefully we're gonna write some Rust, contribute to the terminal emulator, which is called Rio, and we're gonna just have some fun and also do some cool stuff. Okay, let me check my socials and let's see if we got any notifications, if anyone's saying something, or let's see. Is anyone here? Say hi in the chat. I'm actually gonna switch to the actual lightning here. Oops, it's all that dark now. Okay, we are back with my Get Cliff t-shirt. We got 2 viewers right now. That's super cool. I like how this stream is going already. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna jump right into it. If anyone is not saying, if nobody's saying something, I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay, so today there was a new release of Rust, Rust stable to be exact. It is 1.81.0, and I actually want to check out the release notes a bit. I'm already on nightly, but I think it would be pretty nice to check out what's new and just get more familiar with this new version of Rust. I think it will be a good start. It is released just today, so let's take a look. Actually, I'm gonna switch to my other screen. Oh, it's all white. Hold on, where's my dark reader extension? Okay, got it. All right. So Rust 1.81.0. Hold on, I need to refresh this page. For some reason, when I switch to the dark theme on my browser, some of the tabs crash. So I need to refresh it. Okay. All right, so let's see. First of all, I want to check which version of Rust do I have currently. Okay, Rust C 182 nightly. I'm already one minor version ahead of Rust stable on this nightly channel, but it's fine. Let's get familiar with it. So it's released 4 hours ago. We got some pretty interesting stuff actually. I won't go through all of those. I will just check out the ones that sound interesting to me. So abort on uncaught panics in external C functions. Stabilize, change. Oh, what's this? This might be interesting, because sometimes there are some some lint-like stuff that are changed, and those actually affect things without you knowing. So I'm just gonna check this. Elided lifetimes in associated constant. Okay. It's a built-in lint, and now it's deny. So what does that mean? Actually, what is this lint? I'm not super sure. I can just search for it on google.com. This was accidentally supported. Okay. Okay, this is just specific for, I guess, constants like this one. So it means that we can elide or like omit, I guess, in constants now. And this, wait, can we? Oh, I will actually try this out real quick. So if you go to a new project and just copy paste that code and see what it does. So what is this saying? So it's it says that you cannot use an implicit lifetime on a constant, so it is not being derived from this implementation definition. But if I deny this, nothing changes. Cool. What was the point then? Okay. What is this issue? So this was allowed, but then it is denied now, I guess. But if I allow it, what happens? Oh, okay, got it. So I was actually using it in a wrong way. So now this is denied, right? Okay, this was warned before, but now this is denied. So when you use this this approach for your constant, and if there is no explicit lifetime there, you get a warning or just a compiler error. But this was warned before, so you just get a warning, but now it's denied. Okay, so this will affect some projects, I guess, because this is kind of, you know, going from warn to deny is kind of a big thing. So, but yeah, it's good to know. Okay, cool, got it. Stabilize expect for lints. What is this? Like allow the warning if the lint is not fulfilled. Okay, what's this? Oh, 170 files changed. I'm not really vibing with this music. Hold on. Changing the music. Oh, it's got the... Okay. So stabilize lint reasons. Okay, I'm not sure what this means actually. I need to read the RFC probably. There are no examples that I can see. Okay, sometimes it can be helpful to suppress lints. Okay. Oh, you can now use this for... Okay, that's interesting. So by... What is expect there? What's the difference between allow and expect? What happens when I allow a lint? Okay, and expect. So when you use it, it will warn you, I guess. So if I try to use this unused variable. Interesting. Everyone ignores me. I just realized this stream. So what would be the use case for it though? The use case might be... Okay, it's more like a way of assuring that there are expected lint warnings or something like that. I think this might be useful for some cases like this one here. Hold on, I'm just gonna check my stream on my phone. Looks good. Okay. Cool. I will actually post this on my socials tomorrow because I like this. Cool addition to the language. Change method resolution to constraint hidden types. Deny keyword lifetimes pre-expansion. I'm just not gonna take a look. Compiler, I'll skip those. Not a compiler. At least not yet a compiler person, I would say. I'm just gonna skip those. Those might take some time to understand, so it's better to skip. Libraries, split cores. Okay, just internal changes, but this is interesting. Document behavior of creator all with respect to empty paths. If the empty path is passed to this function, it always succeeds without creating any directories. So when you try to create when you call this function with like an empty path, it will not do anything basically. So okay. Other than that, what do we have? Disable package license file and readme pointing down. This is packaging related. Hold on. Okay, there was a connection issue, but now we should be back. Hope so. Okay, we are back now. So, when you try to publish a crate to crates.io, and when you use the license field in the cargo toml And if that is non-existent, this will just error out, I guess. Well, this is kind of useful. I mean, before that, it was just showing a warning, and I came across some projects which were just ignoring the warning, and now they won't be able to do that because now it's an error. So it's kind of a nice addition. I like it. Disallow passing, release the debug flag along with the profile flag. I mean, yeah, makes sense, of course. Internal change. Okay. So that was Rust 1.81.0. Cool enough. Nice stuff. I also want to check this week in Rust for a very brief moment. I'll just go through it. I'll just what do you call, breeze through it or something. I'm not sure what the actual phrase is, but yeah. This week in Rust, let's check it out. Okay, updates from the Rust Community Security Advisory for the standard library. What happened? Process command incorrectly escaped arguments when invoking batch files on Windows. Okay, it's slow. Slow. What do you call slow security level or something like so severity of the incomplete fix is low. Okay, cool. So this is kind of a bad bad vulnerability, because when you use these things like on Windows, like when you have the batch stuff, it's not very cool to, you know, having some escape vulnerability there, but I guess it's now fixed. So this week in Bevy, FreeBSD considers Rust in the base system. What is it? Oh, this is very hard to read now. Oh Jesus, why do they use this format? Oh god. Dream of Rust. Unlike Linux, FreeBSD kernel and user space are developed together as the base system. So they want to just include Rust tools or toolchain in there, I assume. Okay, this is kind of long. I'm gonna take a look later. GCC Rust. All right. What's back on? Backon is a Rust library retrying both blocking and asynchronous functions. So it's like, okay, it's like a, what was it, back off or something off library. Okay, the existing libraries. So, oh, the last and most important one is call for maintainers. Okay, interesting. I'm actually gonna subscribe to this and watch the issue. Call for maintainers. I already started this. Nice logo. Retry an async function. Blocking function. This is a cool library. Although I don't have time to actually contribute or maintain this, so yeah. Rust for Linux Revisited. Oh, it's through the Vault's blog. Okay, this might be interesting to read. Maybe later though. I'm just gonna save it in my notes. Always like like what he, well, not always, but I kind of like, I'm kind of interested in what he has to say, so yeah. Your own little memory strategy, what is it? Okay, this is a deep dive into some memory stuff in Rust. Okay, take a look later too. The dark corners of Unix signal handling. It's sun showers. It's also a RustConf 2023. I'm assuming this is related to maybe our project Carbon Next test. Yeah, most of my knowledge comes from my work in Carbon Next test. Yeah, it's always interesting to see these deep dives as well. I still have one contribution that I should do for Cargo Next test, but I was kind of busy, so didn't really have the time to do it, so maybe later I will take a look. Rust freelancers do exist. I was tired of PHP, it's always about PHP, but yeah. Nice usage of memes though, like, I like it. So I'm gonna read this later on too. This guy seems to know what he's talking about because he used a lot of memes. Rust walkthroughs, Rust beginners, Rust for beginners in Arabic, interesting. This week's creator is Vim Mania Yuri RS, a Vim plugin for file and URI handling. Okay. I might check it out. Not now though. Okay, the rest is just some updates from the Rust project itself, some reports. What are the new events? RustConf, of course. Mid-month Rustful. Rust China. Okay, those are the stuff that I won't be able to join, unfortunately. One, it's because visa stuff, and two, don't really have the time. I mean, I would love to go to RustConf, but the visa stuff is just crazy. I don't think I will be able to get a visa in time, so just a dream at this point. Okay, we went through those things. I'm just gonna pull up some Rio stuff now because it's time. Going to my emails. Okay. First off, you can take a look at the already existing PRs. This one I worked on another live stream. It was I think 2 days ago or something, and it was not really working. Okay, so you know. Okay, I'm just gonna change the character on this one, I guess, and that will be enough. And I'm gonna also freebase on main, pulling out the latest changes. Just getting sidetracked here a little bit by Discord, but yep. So checking out my branch, which was this branch, merge those changes, and there's a, of course there's a goddamn conflict. The boat. Well, this was released actually, right? Yeah, I should move this to unreleased. Okay. Hold on. My CPU is going crazy right now. I hope it's not affecting the stream. Okay, it's gonna, just in case, I will change the, I'll just reset the camera. Hold on. Okay, should be fine now. Delay is kind of fine, okay. Alright, so we move the changelog there, it should be fine, and then there's another conflict in route somewhere. So how do I go to the next conflict there? Neovim, come on. C, I think it was C. Or X. Yeah, X. Previous conflict. And where is the conflict? Come on. I guess I can just check it out on the terminal. Wait, is it deleted? Oh, okay, route is just deleted. Okay then. The whole thing is just gone, dude. Okay, then I'll just delete it, whatever. Hopefully this will be it. Oops. How do I actually hide the... Wait, I actually want to hide the prompt. Pin entry hide... Pin entry and curses. No, how was I doing it? I don't remember. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay. Why did I get like 16 views all of a sudden? Okay, YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain. Something is going wrong with the stream, guys. Well, it's looking fine. I mean, yeah, it's I don't know. So I get like a notification for some reason. It says the quality is like dropped or something, but I guess it's fine, right? Let me check on my phone actually. Yeah, it's smooth. I don't know what's going on. Thanks for the confirmation. Okay, let's go back to work, I guess. let's go back to work. Yeah. So now that the latest changes are merged, I want to see if this functionality actually works, because the thing is, when I tried to change the cursor shape on the terminal, it was not working last time. So yeah, Rio is there. I want to go to the config Rio Terminal and actually configure this. There's no live reloading of the config, I guess, because it's not. Maybe there is, but I don't think so. So I need to restart the terminal. At least the beam is kind of working. The other one is underline. If I remember correctly, it is working too. So, well, I still can see a kind of like a black box here. I'm not sure if this is expected. Probably is, or maybe it's about my theme. Well, I don't think so, but it's working. I'm just gonna replace the character there for the block. So I should go to curve. Well, at first I already committed the changes. For some reason my NeoVim is not showing the changes. So cursor shape, block. Where is it? 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 Somewhere. Okay, I'm just gonna search for what? Oh, there's no block. It's just something like this. So I can search for underline, and go here, paste the character that Rafael just pointed out, and commit the changes. I should just call it refactor cursor, change the block shape, push it. Can I push it? What's wrong? Probably I should rebase it first. Okay, there are some issues. What is going on? Did I wait, what the hell? Okay, my NeoVim is pretty slow for some reason. So I probably rebased the main on the branch before, and now it tries to pull that, but it's also like changed on my local. So I should just do this and maybe add the entry to the end of the changelog list, and then should be just rebase, continue. What? Wait, no. What did I do, man? Oh my god. Oh my god. I fucked up something there. It happens. So, okay, I'm just gonna, you know what? What's my latest commit there? Let's click. What the hell? What is going on, man? Okay, rebase, continue, rebase abort. Okay, now we are at this commit, and I'm just gonna pull. Cannot pull. I'm just gonna push to the freaking branch and force it. I don't give a shit at this point. We are so gangster. You just force push to the branch like a real bad boy, and we got all our changes. gonna comment this to here and resolve the conversation, and boom, we are set. We got it. Okay, this should be done. Paste it on, test it. Okay, I should. Yep. Rebased on main, and now everything is okay. Okay, finished up this PR. Pretty cool. Now, on to our real issue that I wanted to work on today. So it is the issue which is assigned to me, I guess. Yep, improve logging and store logs in a file. So the thing about just the logs to file should be optional. Okay, maybe it can also receive the path. Yeah. Okay, thumbs up. So when you use the terminal, well, let me go to the main and close this, and then relaunch it and disable this config. When you use this terminal, when you run it, there is no way of debugging this because the logs are not saved. So the logs, they just in your terminal, and if you don't attach the actual terminal to a terminal, for example, if you run it from the menu or some other menu, like what I'm doing right now, like I run this and I get the Rio, there's no way to debug what's going on in the terminal because the logs aren't saved. The only way is to build it from source, or sorry, just see the output on some other terminal. So you need two terminals to actually debug the terminal. It's kind of bad, and I kind of didn't like this approach as well. So what we're gonna do is, what I'm planning to do is add some option to log to a file. So the current way of enabling the logging is, if you ask me, it's kind of weird as well. I mean, you need to go to the config, which is I'm at right now, and then hold on. Okay, our stream is back at healthy condition, good. And in the config, you need to add a new section, which is mentioned somewhere in here, I guess, or I can just search for it. Developer, I guess it was something like logging, log level, log level. Oops, log level. So you need to go to the config and add this new section to enable logging. And I guess this is the equivalent of the log, like the Rust log environment variable. But still, I don't find this really convenient. Maybe it supports Rust log, I'm not sure. I mean, which logging library is this using anyways? Init logging. Let me try to find it. Is it anv logger? It's a dev dependence? No, yeah, it's a anv logger. Wait, how do you initialize this? Just the tests. Is it using, which logger thing is it using? Come on. What kind of black magic did you just cast on this, Raphael? What is this? Log, wait. Set up logs. Okay, log set logger. What is that? I guess that's the thing that I'm looking for. Set up logs by the filter level, and it uses just the log library, I guess. There's no pretty logging. The heck? I guess it's just using a log, right? Console log. What is that? OpenSource console log. A logger that logs to the browser's console. Okay, well, I guess this is the wrong backend. Okay, this is kind of interesting. Console log. Oh, it's used for the WebAssembly backend, so it's not relevant. But what we were actually looking for is the logger library, which is just a log. Okay, so you set up the logs like this. Wait a minute, what? So you log something before setting up the logger? Bruh. Okay, this should be correct now. I mean, let's see it for ourselves, I guess. Okay, log level info. This should just work. Let's run it. And also let's get hydrated. Okay, I like this. It worked out of the box. We got a bunch of unnecessary shit though, like why the hell these all just info, right? I mean, that's not super good. And then how do you style this logging? What is this? Set logger, extend create. Set logger. I guess that's just it. Set up logs by filter. Okay, I guess what we're gonna do is just replace this with tracing, and then some optional file handling too, and that should be it. I actually asked this to ChatGPT. It gave me a kind of a good answer, so I'm just gonna pull it up here. Hold on. Hold on. I am on it right now. So that was the answer that it gave me. Come on, don't judge me because I use ChatGPT. I mean, everyone does, right? I'll get some dislikes because of that. And also, if you want to just jump in and ask a question, go ahead. I see that 4 people are just watching. 4 chosen Rust developers are watching our stream right now. I'm blessed. Thank you guys. Okay, so tracing appender and tracing subscriber. We got some messages. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna use both of, I mean all of these libraries, but the first thing that I can do is actually gonna set up the logging by using tracing subscriber. And if you want to know why tracing is better for apps like this, it's because it gives you some abilities to log certain stuff and log like certain modules, and then you can use like scoped logging and like actually a lot of different things. Like you can pretty much use like the predefined formats for a bunch of things and so on, and then easier to parse. It has like easier to parse features and so on. So I would like always go for tracing if I'm building an app like this, which is kind of like I would say a middle-sized like an open source project, and the login is like pretty important for such a thing. I mean, I cannot really imagine something like this without tracing, so I'm just gonna go with tracing here. There are other options too, but tracing should be fine. I mean, this is what I'm talking about. When you enter a span, you log in that span, and then it is logged as a like a separate thing, and then it's easier to parse and work on and so on. So, and yeah, there are some event types too, and it's pretty good. So tracing subscriber is what we're gonna use here. Thanks for sharing your knowledge. Yeah, no problem. Default features also, I guess there was a feature called env filter. Actually, I set this up a couple of times before, and I am pretty sure that I have the exact snippet of code somewhere in my GitHub directory, so I'm just gonna try to find that and just copy paste it. I mean, why not? Why just, you know, rewrite something that I already wrote before, right? So there are, like, as you can see, there are a lot of projects which use tracing subscriber. I'm gonna actually go with this one, because this is kind of what I was trying to find in my directory. I'm gonna stop the LSP. I don't want to create the LSP for this, so actually maybe I can find a better example. FMT layer. What is this? This is a pretty good function actually. Oh yeah, this is pretty good. I like it. Initialize logging. I'm just gonna yoink this guy. I'm just gonna freaking steal it, bro. Wait, what's the license of Rio actually? I don't want to get in legal trouble here. What's the license? It is MIT, and this project's license is MIT. Hell yeah, I'm freaking stealing this, dude. Shout out to Carl for writing this snippet. Thanks for not looking. Okay, you know what? You won't look. So I'm just gonna. Okay. Nothing is happening in this stream. I'm just, you know, blank screen. No one is doing something. I'm just, you know, just chilling. Nothing is happening. So let me steal this code real quick. Let's steal this shit. We got the code. We get everything. Okay, we can go back. All right. Now I wrote the initialize logger function. It was a kind of a hard work, but you know, it's fine. We write Rust, so we got it over with. We got this shit, so don't worry. Yeah, good work, Carl, or whoever. Shout out to Carl for creating Rainfrog. If you want to check it out, little plug for Carl here. Rainfrog is a database management tool for Postgres. Pretty cool project. Shout out to Carl. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is that first of all, I'm gonna kill all the processes on my computer. No, just kidding. I'm just gonna kill Rust Analyzer because now it's just freaking inhaling my RAM at this point. I don't need that much of CPU usage. I mean, come on, what am I doing right here? Wait, where did my logger function go? It's right there. Written in very fast manner. I'm a fast Rust developer, you know. Definitely not stealing code. Okay, it will fail because we don't have tracing subscriber. And this is not actually FMT, is it? What kind of thing did you use, Carl? Green frog, let me check. Which features of it did you use? Cargo Tomo, tracing, subscriber features, and filter and Saturday. We don't need Saturday. Okay, it's getting the data directory first and then joins that with the log file and then creates the log path. Yeah, it's the real log level. I guess what I'm gonna do here is that I already got the filter level. So I'm gonna go there, move this code right there and comment this out. Oh, it's FMT. Okay, cool. I didn't see the FMT at first, but it's cool. Now I can add the tracing library somewhere. Where is it? Where's log? Do we need the log library somewhere else in the library? I don't think so. I can just delete it. I mean, we are switching to tracing anyways. Log is gone. We add tracing. Oh shit. Workspace to yeah, adding to the workspace. Adding tracing to, wait, what? God damn it, what's the command for it? Come on. I just want to add this to the workspace. Is cargo add not supporting that? Okay, whatever. Going back to the old way and just manually typing that out. 0, 1, 40, and then tracing subscriber should be whatever that is in here. Not sure if we need the Saturday feature there, but yeah, I'm just gonna remove that. And 3.1.18. All right, and then here I need a log file. For just testing, I will create some new file there, which should be called, like, I don't know, real log maybe. And filter level should be level filter. I'm not sure what's gonna happen there. Okay, what's wrong? Error inheriting log from workspace. Okay, log workspace should be, okay, log. Oh damn, there are like a couple of usages there. With all the modern tools, typing characters one by one is a lost art. Tell me about it. Oh shit. I'm gonna. Okay, that's a bit of too many log imports. Not sure what should I do there. I'm just gonna, I guess, YOLO it at this point and just replace all of them with tracing. Yeah, just replace all of them. And also I want to change all the log stuff. For example, is there any external crate definitions there? Of course there is extend create log. I'm gonna change that to extend create tracing, hoping that it will work. What happened to the music? Kind of died for a second there. Okay, and something like a typewriter could bring back the joy. I mean, that's why we have this awesome project, right? Which no longer works. Hold on. Okay, which I think it was device pipewire sudo. No, shouldn't use sudo there. I'm getting sidetracked. Come on, I was trying to finish something. Don't distract me. Just kidding. I want to just showcase this app. Hold on. Just want to show this cool ass thing to people, which are, you know, actually like 3 or 4 people there. It's not working. It's not. Oh, what the hell? Shit, that's a problem. I'm just gonna build it. Hold on. Just gonna build it. We need to show this awesome app to everyone. So we can take a little break. You know, build something from scratch and then, you know, show it off. Basically, what this will do, or this thing supposed to just play typewriter sounds when you type stuff. So gonna be pretty fun if this still works. I mean, I know that it works on other platforms, but I guess my Arch is a bit not up to date. List devices. List devices, come on. Okay, now it will work. Hold on. Pipe, wire. Do you hear it? Probably not hearing it, right? Let me stop the music. Yeah, you're supposed to hear it now. Let me let me just turn this on a bit. Are you ready? This is how we code now. This is how we're gonna do things. Okay. Alright. Back to work. Are you guys enjoying the typewriter? Okay, thing. Let's check. This is working, right? Say something. It should work. Say something in the chat if this is working. Okay, log should be... Every time the ding sound comes, I'm like dying inside. Okay, log should be just tracing now. It works. Hell yeah. This is how we code now. Guys, look. This is the best project ever. I mean, when I type... Oof, what is going on? My CPU is dying again. Look at the stream, it's dying. I'm freezing like hell. Gonna be fine. Give it a second. Gonna be fine. Speaking from experience. Oh wow, the delay is so high right now. Like me. Come on. You can compile. Okay, so we should be back. With the typewriter sounds, of course. So what I'm gonna do is, yeah, the stream is dying again. Anyways, this compiling so much Rust that the stream is just affected from it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna import this because this was not imported. My LSP is also. Oh god damn! I need a better PC, guys. This is just not enough for both streaming and development. If you want me to get a better PC, go to github.com/Orhun and sponsor me for $5 per month so that I can get a full ass PC that I can use for typewriting. Okay, what the hell I was doing? Going to main RS. How many people are watching now? I'm curious how many people are witnessing this moment where I use typewriter. Donate to him, he's literally coding on a typewriter. Yes, that is true. That is true. As you can see, you can hear the sounds, you know? Like look at this. I'm just using a typewriter at this point. Come on. Come on. You can import it. Come on, LSP. Tracing subscriber. I added the. Okay, I actually forgot to add the dependency there. Hold on. Tracing workspace true. Tracing subscribe. Wait, why do I have the tracing subscriber in the workspace? I don't really need to put that in the workspace, do I? No, I don't need to. I can just put it here. With the and filter thing, and then it should be good. What is error layer? Error layer. Actually, I'm just gonna turn it off a bit because this might be annoying. I just saw that 3 people are now watching, and it was 5 before. So maybe they're like, what the fuck is going on in this stream, and they just left. So let's go back to the normal. Okay, error layer. I'm not sure what that is. Is this something special? No, it's actually error layer, but maybe. Wait a minute, where? Oh, tracing error. What is that? I never used it. So it also enriching error handling with tracing. Guys, we don't need this. I mean, I don't wanna add another dependency at this point. I mean, if this works, this will be just enough. And for the filter level first filter. Okay, static log. What is this? Wait, there's a logger module. Okay, I'm just seeing this. What the hell? Oh, okay. Now I get where the styling is coming from. Okay. I guess we don't need to. Do we need to have this? I'm just gonna disable it for now. Where's logger? Also, we can just remove this too, and this one too, and also these two. Set logger error. So we need to return a error from this function. Well, I don't know. Okay, unfilter from default environment, but also I want to set the default for it. How do I do it? Default level, if this will work. No. Actually need to look for that in the documentation. Somewhere I can find the thing maybe. So unfilter, and then from default environment. I can do this, and instead of using a real log level there, I want to make it a constant, because I think having a constant makes sense here. So it's gonna be constant log level env, and I'm gonna call it real log level as before, and use that here. Log level env, and also here too. Actually, what is this width filter? Can maybe just use that. Layer with level, and the level takes. Wait, no, this is not correct. Subscribe builder. For some reason, this LSP is not quite working. Okay, layer. I need to check the layer actually. Layer. Alright, FM2 layer, and then here I should be able to provide the filter level. It's filter, and this is a struct actually, and okay, I'm actually gonna do something like with default directive. Maybe this is what I'm looking for. So I need to go for actually builder there, and then okay, this is kind of not super good, but I guess it will work. So gonna go to there, and then I'm gonna I already have the filter level, and this returns and what is this returning actually? It returns to self, and this is now a builder. How do I build the actual thing? Okay, do I have to parse it for Rio? I don't want to parse it. What is this parse thing anyways? Can I just parse empty? I'm just gonna parse it empty. Don't give a damn here. So I'm gonna parse it as empty. Now we have the filter. I can just give it to this filter, and then it initializes that. Tracing info. There's no result now, I guess. Well, we can. Okay, there are some errors. What the hell is going on? Bit filter is not found. What do you mean? Okay, direct what? With default directive. This is kind of hard for some reason. Okay, this takes a directive. And we should call into here. Okay, maybe enough with the typewriter. Okay, everything is frozen now. Okay, now we're back. Level filter. There's no off. There should be an off there. Okay. Layer has no filter. What do you mean it has no filter? Come on. Layer. Give me the layer with filter. It literally has a... Oh, I need to enable the registry flag. Okay then. I will just enable it. Whatever. YOLO. Registry. Now it will recompile. Hopefully it will be fine now. Come on. Come on. Okay, now what's going on? Tracing info. Okay, subscriber thingy. Maybe I need to... Oh wow, this is a really bad import. But I'm gonna import it. I can fix it later. Filter. Sometimes it is like easier to take a look at the errors from a terminal. This is wrong. I accidentally changed log, dialog to dia tracing, which is not correct. It happens. Dialog and should be crate. Okay, now that should be fine. God damn it. What the hell? Great. Come on, I just wanna fix this thing. Which is not even related to what I'm doing, but whatever. And then we don't have the set logger error anymore. But we have... What do we have actually? We have the directive parse error. Parse error. And it's coming from this. and it should be like this. So gonna be using that there, and then remove that. Man, I feel like this took some effort actually. I was not really expecting to work on this much. Cannot really. Okay, for now I can just unwrap it, whatever. Or maybe I can just use like a dynamic error like this. But just gonna do that for now. Now let's see. I changed a bunch of stuff. Okay, it's still using tracing info. Yeah, like I said, I changed a bunch of stuff and added this logging. So hopefully it will work. I mean, it should work better than before. If I had to guess. Oh god, this is gonna take some time. Jesus. Time to hydrate. Okay, we are back. Let's try it out and see. So first of all, there are no logging. Like the logging is entirely disabled. Rio log level export Rio log level info. Maybe this will change things. I don't know. There's no logging at all. Okay, something went wrong there. Is there a real log file now? Real log file? Oh, okay, now the logs are in the file. But it's not out of the file. How do I change that? Okay, no, this is not related. With writer file. And also I need to write to another buffer, right? Like std out. Oops, I'm searching in the wrong crate. So with writer, yeah, std error. Let's use std out. And it's coming, oh yeah, of course, from std. Yeah, luckily we are able to use multiple writers there. So when I run this, I should be seeing logs. Yep. It's nice. There's no colors though, what the hell? What happened to the colors with ANSI true? Well, if I... here's the thing. If I enable ANSI, you might see some ANSI escape codes in the real log file, but we don't want that. So let's try it out. Now it's colored, but it also colored in the real log. No, what? Real log. Nothing in the file. What? Can I use multiple writers with this, or what the hell is going on there? Because I want to log both to std out and a file. Hold on. Tracing subscriber multiple writers. I need to go with no, this is not what I was looking for. I need to create 2 subscribers. Okay, I get it now. Okay, so it should be something like file subscriber and also std out subscriber, I guess. And it's gonna be just like std io, std out. And with ANSI true, it's filtered with the same filter. And with std out subscriber. Value moved here. I'm just gonna clone it maybe. There's no what? Do I have to create 2 AND filters for this? Why can't I just okay, maybe pass as a reference? Okay, how about I don't use a filter? No, I need to use a filter. How about I use the filter just for std out, because file is... Does it really matter, actually? I'm not sure. Do advanced things, please. Somebody says, well, this is what I'm doing right now. So, yeah. Why can't I just clone a filter? Anyways, I'm just gonna do it like this for now to see if it's working. And now we have the logs in the terminal and also in the log file. Yes. So yeah, that's pretty much works fine. It's a bit verbose, but I need to kind of like work on it a bit to make it like less noisy. But yeah, there are a couple of things that I want to fix here. First of all, this import thingy is just crazy. So maybe I can just import from layer subscriber next. Yep. subscribe it X. What is that? It's a extension. Okay. Now that that is fixed, so for this these things, I want to use spans because it feels like the intended use here is just, you know, spans. So it's something like let span tracing span, and it's gonna be something like this, and then span enter, and then when you log this thing, it will be logged in the span, and since we exit this block, it's gonna be dropped, and you'll be logging specifically for this block. So that's how that works. I'm gonna do the same for this block. So info logger, something like this. And I'm not really sure about the filter here. Maybe it should filter as default for std out, but not for the file. I'm not sure. I want to actually do the same for both, but this move thing is just kind of annoying me. But I'm just gonna ask it in the PR actually. Would be kind of fine. Also, set up logs by filter level. Hold on. I need to turn this off for a while because my CPU is going crazy. It will delay and it won't sync with my voice, so it's better to just turn it off for a second. Okay, so it's creating. Okay, what happens when I actually turn this off completely? Does it work? Yeah, it's not logging, which is expected. And if I say off, it won't also log. If I say info, it will log stuff. Yeah, so as you can see there in here, it says logger, and that's the span, and this is also the span. So it's kind of a good way of just using these like specific logging. So yeah, so just so you know, having like specific logging for specific parts of the code base is kind of a good thing to do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is check if this is being called at multiple places, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add the log file there. log file. What's default log level? Default log level. It's just off. Also, I wanna have default log file. Rio log. Maybe this shouldn't. There should be actually a default. Maybe there should be. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna put it there. Okay, and default log file. This should be an option too. Or maybe not. Okay, yeah, it should be an option. Since this is an option, there shouldn't be a default value. And this should be none too. And does this thing using actually theirs for... Okay, config directory path. I can also reuse this probably. Should we log in the config directory or somewhere else? For now I can just use this. So config dir path join and gonna be log file, but I need to do something like if let log file is log file just gonna type. What is wrong now? I try to initialize with the file. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like this actually. Should be fine. I mean, there's no need to deal with a lot of different types, so just do this. And there's another error which says that it expects a... Okay, it's fine, I can just use a reference there. And here as well, reference. I'm just gonna use like dynamic errors there too, like, or maybe I can use another result there. No, I can just use dynamic stuff. There's no need to import the parse error now. So when we go down there, we should also check the error actually. Sorry, not check, but also like print the error. Okay. Just updating the documentation now. So I'm gonna be ready for submitting this as a PR soon. I hope so. Okay, I have another idea actually. If log file is some, yeah, log file. Or I can just do this instead. Come on, can do it. This is not super good, but okay, I have another idea actually. I'm gonna do something like this. So I didn't want to create a new variable for the path, and now should be just fine with just a single variable. Okay, did I use any unwraps? No, okay. Let me just turn this on again. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay. So now it should be all good. I mean, it's kind of like all over the place in a way, but yeah, maybe just a couple of tweaks and I'll just submit it. I can just come back to this tomorrow probably. I feel like it's been such a ride here because I don't have the quick and practical knowledge of setting up a logger, because I usually just use templates and they do it for me. But now I needed to go to documentation, find out a couple of things and here and there, So so it was kind of a journey. So but now it works. I can just log file Rio log, and if I run this, you'll actually see the logs in the std out, and there will be a log file created in the config directory. We should not probably do this, but config director has dispatched an event. Oh, what? This is not good. It is just spamming. Oh, maybe it's it is spamming the config stuff because we create the config directory, sorry, config file, or log file in the config directory, and it's always changing because we always write to it, and then it generates some logs. So maybe doing this was not a good idea, so I'm gonna remove it. But yeah, other than that, wait, config there. Yeah, now it should be fine, I guess. Yeah, now it's way less noisy. Okay, I think it's ready for submitting. I'm just gonna ignore the Rio log in the git ignore as well. Okay, git new feed introduce tracing feed logger. Oh, I can also remove the logger module completely because it's not being used right now. Okay, commit feed logger, improve the logging via tracing. Okay, I'm gonna enter my password real quick. And I'm gonna create a PR. Close this issue and a couple of questions. Should we add a prefix path to the log file option? For example, Rio log will be okay. What's the second question? This is a good question actually. Just completed for me. should the logs in the file also be filtered by the log level? Okay, what else? Okay, that should be enough. I'm just gonna submit this now. Okay, let's check. That's a lot of changes. Okay, I think it's done. All right, guys, I'm not sure if anyone else is watching, but I'm pretty much done. Just gonna go to bed. You know, I know that there's a delay. Yeah, there's a delay, but whatever. I just realized I have like 1 gigabyte of space left on my main drive. God damn, I should fix it. Anyways, I'm gone. See you later. Take care.